we have to be investor friendly. Council make sure ukuthi abantu bathatha ama-processes amaningi to process izinto zabo, and then ama-standards, I think in terms of ama-pricing, ama-stands were one of the cheapest councils it is. And then we've got the issue ukuthi we've got we allow for ama-payment plans. Abantu they can arrange for ama-payment plans, ama-rates ukuthi babhadala in terms so abantu abaningi bathatha amabhizi abo se-accumulator, so bakwanisa ukubhadala in batches. And what other thing before I forget, we're expecting provincial offices, okay, semfahlandlela to be coming down to Lupane any time from now. So we have to be prepared. What we did with the meeting, with the Minister of State, Honorable Richard Moyo, yesterday. While with the meeting, the Minister simtshengisa nje ukuthi how we can explore ama-avenues ukuthi abantu be-invest eLupane la. I think it was a fruitful meeting, wasitshengisa ukuthi la uzalobha through i-central government ukuthi sithole ukuthi ama-sewer rectification kube le-sewer eLupane, then sibone lokuthi nxa kusiba le-Bhayishangane how we can draw water ukuthi abantu bengashoti amanzi ngaze kubuye wonke amara ukuze ama-departments lapho eLupane. So I think for welcome abantu be-provincial office were almost ready to welcome them. Up in North, we do it as eLupane sikwenza as a province. We have got ama-workshop, we've got ama-seminars, ama-conferences, ama-investment conferences. This is our now this year. I think it's our year before the end of this month, if it falls. Ukuthi sibone ukuthi siyathengisa indawo yethu to ama-potential investors abaku-diaspora. So we're doing it as a province, and then we're getting support from the central government. Bayasincedisa kakhulu ukuthi sibone ukuthi siyaphatheka sibe. But as far as we're concerned, we haven't received ama-investors amaningi from the diaspora. Siwabona nje ama-interest lapha nalapho. But I think ama-provincial offices engabuya lapha, then i-provincial hospital ibe khona. I think bazawuba next. Sizabona i-change enkulu kakhulu.